My name is Chris Jones, and I'm the founder of doityourselfseo.com. Over the last 24 years, I've been a professional search marketer. I've written several best-selling books and published over 500 articles on the topic of SEO. Throughout my career, I have been obsessed with helping businesses scale their revenue through SEO. As the CEO of a 3-time finalist for SEO Agency of the Year, I have learned a lot about the challenges faced when getting started with SEO. DIY SEO is the answer. At less than $300 per month, it is an affordable solution for anyone looking to improve their digital marketing. It's an interactive service that allows you to communicate directly with SEO experts and to gain access to the game plan used by large agencies to double, triple, and sometimes even 10 or 20 times organic search traffic. In fact, with this product, you will gain access to the same strategies and game plan I use with my agency to deliver services to large household brands. Each month, you will receive at least $1,000 of value, including a high-value backlink and a piece of original content to post to your website, for less than a cup of coffee a day. I'm excited by the opportunity to work with you to help grow your business through effective and proven SEO strategies. Our relationship will be month to month, and you could cancel at any time. So take action now and sign up to the most affordable and effective solution in the world to grow your search engine traffic.